can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin stocks. Stocks over the last 1 month has gone down by 10.8%. Over the last 1 year, that's seen a 144% increase to the upside. How high can stocks go in the coming days and the coming weeks? With the market cap of over $2.4 billion, we're waiting for that epic Altseason pump. Can stocks go on to set new yearly highs in 2024? We're taking a look at key levels to watch out for stocks in the coming weeks. We're taking a look at stocks performance against the US dollar, stocks performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, and we'll take a look at stocks performance against the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. Finally, we'll be looking at stocks market cap, which can easily rally to as high as the $5 billion level before the end of the year. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to become a member, links is in the description. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is expecting a big pump in the coming days and the coming weeks. The altcoin market is expecting a rally to end the year. Bitcoin is currently sitting at all-time highs. We're seeing huge pumps in the altcoin market. Stacks is one of those altcoins that have performed well over the last 2 years. If you look at what Stacks has done since 2020, after the COVID crash, we saw Stacks pumping to new all-time highs. We saw it rallying in 2021. The rally was crazy. Stacks went to new all-time highs. Stacks went from as low as $0.048 level where it was trading during the COVID crash. By November of 2021, stocks was trading around the $3.4 region, rallying by more than 6,700%. A $1,000 invested in stocks in COVID crash would have returned more than $67,000. But guys, that's what happens in the bull market. In the bear market, the reverse is the case. In the bear market, huge dumps gobbling town is what is usually normal. We saw stocks in its first full crypto bear market losing around 94% of its value. Right now, we're in a bull market. Right now, stocks has pumped to new all-time highs in 2024. We saw it getting there in March of 2024. We saw it trading for as high as $3.9. But first, it had to go to gobbling town in the bear market. It had to dump to as low as the $0.2 level in the bear market. After that, we saw it rallying up, giving us one final pump to the upside, rallying to as high as the $3.9 level. $1,000 invested in stock at the bottom of the 2022 bear market would have returned over $17,000. But guys, the $1 million question is, are we going to set new all-time highs? Is the top in already for stocks? In my humble opinion, I think the top is already in for stocks. But I still believe one rally is around the corner. That rally, we're going to see a lot of complacency return to the market. That rally is going to see a lot of bulls getting trapped. We're going to see a lot of market participants long in the market at the wrong time, thinking we're going to the moon. Guys, the number one crime I've seen in the cryptocurrency market from a lot of traders and investors is overestimating the pump. They're overestimating where the market will go to, and they're underestimating how low the market can dump in the short time. You don't want to make that mistake. You want to know that stocks even at the $2.6 level is a good investment. Imagine you bought stocks around the $0.2 level. At the bottom of the bear market, if we get to the if we get to the $2.6 level, guys, you'd have been up 1,100%. At the top, you are up 1,500%. In the bear market, you want to buy when we're down in gobbling town. You want to sell those rallies. I believe it's one of those bear market rallies. I'm of the opinion stocks has topped in March already. Right now, we're getting ready for one big dump to gobbling town. But before that big dump to gobbling town, I expect stocks to rally. First, we need to blast above the $2 region. That $2 region is proving to be very difficult. We saw stocks growing below the $2 level way back in August, and since then, way back in June, and since then, stocks has not been able to reclaim that $2 region. So in the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, I will not be shocked if we see stocks getting rejected at the $2 level. But the rally is very strong. The rally is very crazy as market participants are expecting it to be. I'll not be shocked if the $2.6 level proves to be difficult yet again. If you take a look at what stocks has done, the $2.6 level over the years, that $2.6 level, guys, was the previous all-time high in 2021. We had to try 2 different times before we could blast above it, and we quickly got rejected there. In 2024, we saw stocks blasting above that $2.6 level. And when the bull market ended in March of 2024, we quickly reversed below it. So I'll be watching out for that $2.6 level. Let's take a look at some quick details about stocks. With a market cap of $2.4 billion, fully diluted market cap for stocks sits at $3 billion. Stocks has a circulating supply of 1.5 billion tokens. The all-time high for stocks happened 7 months ago. On the 1st of April 2024, it traded for as high as $3.84. Right now, it's down 55.89% from its all-time highs. If you want to get stocks for yourself, you can get it on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Bybit, on OKX, on Upbeat. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some stacks right there. Stacks, the Bitcoin layer for smart contracts, enables smart contracts and decentralized applications to use Bitcoin as an asset and settle transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. Bitcoin is the largest and most valuable and most decentralized asset. The stack layer unlocks $500 billion in Bitcoin capital using the Bitcoin L1 as settlement for decentralized applications. If you go at the stacks US dollar price chart, it looks as if we're near all-time highs. So one big pump can take us above that $2.6 level. For that one big pump to happen, guys, we'll have to see stacks rally up by more than 60% for us to rally above the $2.6 level. For us to get to new all-time highs, stacks will need a 146% rally from where we're currently trading. If you look at stacks performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, it has been down to gobbling town since that top came in March. A lot of altcoins can perform well against Bitcoin when the market is trending higher, but when we see the market in a bearish situation, those altcoins lose value drastically against Bitcoin. Stacks has gone down by 62% against Bitcoin since the top in April. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I expect a counter rally for stacks against Bitcoin. I expect to see stacks gain maybe 30, 40, maybe as high as 100% against Bitcoin as bears are going to get liquidated. A lot of people have been shorting the market, expecting these altcoins to continue dumping to gobbling town. But as Bitcoin dominance is increasing, guys, for that chance of an epic alt season around the corner for that going higher. Right now, stacks performance against Ethereum is something to write home about. It has been constantly gaining value against Ethereum. I will not be shocked if it's in for one final push to the upside before its eventual dump to gobbling town against Ethereum. But from right now, from the 16th of January 2023, where stacks bottom against Ethereum is currently up around 285%. If you take a look at stacks market cap, we sit around the $2.3 billion level. In 2021, we saw stacks having difficulties crossing above the $3 billion region. We had some brief moments where it went to as high as the $4.7, $4.5 billion level. In 2024, we saw stacks clearing the $3.5 billion level, but what proved very, very difficult for stacks to rally above is that 4.7 towards the $5 billion region. Stacks eventually topped at the $5.4 billion level in April of 2024. Since then, it has been down to gobbling town. Since then, stacks have gone to find support around the $1.8 billion level. In the coming days and coming weeks, I will expect a rally to the upside, but nothing crazy. I'm not expecting the all-time highs for a lot of these altcoins, including stacks. We might probably see it rally back to as high as a $3.5 billion level, but that will not get market participants excited. That will just trap them. We might see it even get to as high as $4 billion just to get everything exciting. That will see stacks rallying up by around 80% from where we're currently trading. Guys, report out in the comment section. Where do you see stacks going to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you buying more right now, getting ready for that epic alt season? Or are you selling because you know a big dump to gobbling town is around the corner? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want to become a member, there's a link in the description. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, not even pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.